67 animals are on the ranch. 32 animals are sheep and the rest are goats. For A through C, choose yes or no to indicate whether each number sentence shows how many animals are goats. Let's reread this question, this problem, with these questions in mind. Is there motion? Is there no motion like a picture? Or is there no motion with the words like more or less in there? This will help us understand the graphic organizer that we'll use to solve this problem. So here we go. 67 animals are on the ranch. 32 animals are sheep and the rest are goats. This is like a picture. You could actually just see sheep and goats. So part of the animals are sheep. So 32 animals are sheep. That's what we get right here. And it says the rest are goats. We're not quite sure how many goats there are. So we're going to use the word rest, but the rest are goats. What do we know is that altogether there are 67 animals. So there are 67 animals all together. So we actually know an equation now, because if we have 32 plus our unknown number, that's going to be equal to 67. So let's solve for our unknown number. Well, to do that, we know that addition and subtraction are related. This will give us our unknown number. So here's 67. We'll work these details here. 67 minus 32. When we subtract 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. And now we're going to subtract 6 tens minus 3 tens. 6 tens minus 3 tens, that's 3 tens. Or the answer is 35. So 35 of the animals were goats. So we could rewrite the problems like this. With addition, we know because of the commutative property, we could trade the 32 and 35, swap the order, that's equal to 67. And we could also do 67 minus 35 equals 32. So these are different ways that we could actually write the equation here. So now let's go back and answer the problem. For A through C, choose yes or no to indicate whether each number sentence shows how many animals are goats. Well, for A, 67 plus 32 equals 35. Well, this is a no. This is actually not equal, and that number is too small. It's too small. So A is a no. B, we can look at B. 35 plus 32 equals 67. That's what we have right here. 35 plus 32 equals 7. This is true. This is a yes. So that's correct. So we're going to mark that yes. Now on C, 32 plus 35 equals 67. That's also true. That's a yes because of the commutative property from the previous problem. So that's a yes. So that's our answer.